Withdrawing money from your Wells Fargo account after an account review can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Confirm account status. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the #com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Choose your withdrawal method. Decide how you want to withdraw your money. Options include using an ATM, visiting a branch, or transferring funds to another account. Each method may have different limits and requirements. Step 3. Use an ATM. If you choose to withdraw from an ATM, locate a Wells Fargo ATM near you. Insert your debit card, enter your PIN, and select the amount you wish to withdraw. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the transaction. Step 4. Visit a branch. If you prefer to withdraw cash in person, visit a local Wells Fargo branch. Bring a valid ID and your account information. Speak to a teller to request the amount you wish to withdraw, and they will process the transaction for you. Step 5. Transfer funds. If you want to move money to another account, log into your online banking account. Navigate to the transfer section, select the accounts involved, enter the amount, and confirm the transfer. Ensure you follow any prompts to complete the process. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw money from your Wells Fargo account after an account review. Always keep your account information secure and reach out to customer service if you encounter any issues.